that worn-out green field, it remembers my name. You're just a new ghost in an old game. You see a puzzle, I just see the math. 1,000 phantoms walking down one path. You grip your stick like you're holding on to hope. I'm looking right through you past the end of your rope. This ain't a bar fight, it's an operating room, and I'm the surgeon who's sealing your tomb. They call me the White Wolf, the whisper on the fell, the architect of every bad hand you've been dealt. I'll leave the whitey on a string, make the solids disappear. Yeah, the White Wolf's hunting and feeding on your fear. Try to hide it, buried in the past. Thought you left me frozen on a dead-end track. But there's a backdoor secret, a two-rail prayer. I can bend the light and pull it from thin air. A gentle carom, a combo so clean, the prettiest damn robbery you've ever seen. Your shot was thunder, mine is just a hush, turning all your best laid plans to dust. They call me the White Wolf, the whisper on the fell, the architect of every bad hand you've been dealt. I'll leave the whitey on a string, make the solids disappear. Yeah, the White Wolf's hunting and feeding on your fear. This isn't a gamble when the dice are weighed. This is the sermon on the slate that's about to be played. You're playing for the rent check, I'm playing for the art of taking your whole world completely apart. One perfect shot at a time. Disappear. Yeah, the White Wolf's hunting and feeding on your fear. Just dust off the felt now.